Tastes like I'm gonna get a lot done today. Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. So right now it is Wednesday. I just stopped to get some Starbucks. I dropped the kids off with their grandma because my original plan today was to go get my tags renewed on my vehicle because they have expired in April, but I can't because nowhere in town is doing safety inspections. So I guess I'm gonna have to put that on the back burner. So anyways, right now I am headed to go get me some breakfast. I have been going through McDonald's and just getting one sausage burrito, and I don't get any sauce with it. I don't like the sauce, and that usually makes me pretty happy for a while. And then I'm actually gonna go to Walmart for one because I want to see what meat they have, and I'm just gonna try and get like what we need for a while. About a month ago I stocked up on meat and I just like broke it up into sections, and we've just been eating on that, and now we're out. So I'm gonna go back and see if I can find any meat. Hey guys, so I am back home. I just got back from Walmart. I went ahead and went to the courthouse to get my property tax paid. I never pay that when I'm supposed to. So I'm just waiting on my grandpa. He's actually gonna come take my car and take it to a guy that he knows that does inspections, so my car can get inspected today. Thank goodness. I'm so thankful for my grandpa. But I just picked up a few things at Walmart that my grocery app was saying that were out of stock, and when I went they were not, so I went ahead and got them just because I didn't know if I was going to be able to when I actually placed my grocery order. I usually pick up my groceries on Fridays now. So I'm just gonna turn you around and show you what I got. So here is a little overview. I didn't get a whole lot, but you know, I've been wanting one of these for a while. You just put it over your food when it's in the microwave, and it helps it not splatter everywhere. So I went ahead and got one of these. I think it was like $2. It wasn't bad at all, and all the ones on Amazon are like $8. So I went ahead and got that. I needed some paper plates, some paper towels, some plastic forks and spoons. They didn't have the ones that I'd normally get, but I went ahead and got those because I know that we use them. And then I needed a can of cream of mushroom. They said that on the grocery app, this was out of stock, but they had like 10 more cans of this. So I don't know what is going on with the grocery app. And then I needed another loofah. I got some body wash. That's the body wash that I always use. I needed some more baby wipes. All they have right now in my store is the fragrance free. So I just went ahead and got that because I know we're gonna need them. Brystal needed another sippy cup, so I got her one of those. And then I just got these little bowls. These were 97 cents, I think. And they come with 4. The baby ones that I picked up first were a lot smaller, and they were $3 for 5. So I put those back and got these instead, and these should be just fine for the kids. And then I wanted to get them both their own fork and spoon set because they can't really use the big spoons yet. Well, I guess Liam can, but I didn't want to leave him out. So I went ahead and got him one too. I was gonna get the Minnie Mouse and the Paw Patrol, but they did not have Minnie Mouse, and I did not want to get Paw Patrol without getting Minnie Mouse. So I just got these. And like I told you before, I was on the hunt for movies, but these were in the $5 bin. So I just went ahead and got these 2 for Liam, 2 movies on each. So $2.50 a piece really isn't that bad. And he loves Garfield and Scooby-Doo. So I just got these 2. I guess whenever I go, I'll just go and look and see what else they have and just build up his collection that way, because I know that he's gonna get bored of these. And then the last thing, well, second to last thing, I picked up 2 of these ground beef chuck rolls. I know these are not the best, but this is literally all that they had. And these were so expensive. $14 for 3 pounds, you guys. Crazy. But you know what? We needed it, and so I got 2 of them just in case that they wouldn't have any when I need them next time. So I will just split those up into like either 1 pound or half pound, and it'll last us for a couple weeks. And then last thing, I got this clothes basket. We have a little like cube that we put our shoes in over by the door right now, and it's so worn down, so I wanted to get something else. I really wanted to get the like wooden wicker baskets or whatever, but they were $20, and I was not about to pay that because I know I can get them so much cheaper at Ross. So I just got this for now, and whenever I can get up to Ross, I will pick up one, and we can just use this as a laundry basket. So that is everything that I got at Walmart. Okay, so it is almost 1 o'clock. I sat down for a little bit and just kind of caught up on my YouTube videos and watched some cleaning videos to try and get some motivation, which is I hope what you guys are doing right now, watching my video. So I just need to pick up the house a little bit before the kids get home. I don't know if my grandpa is coming today, but it's getting that time where I need to go get the kids. So I'm just gonna do like a really quick cleanup. I would like to mop the kitchen so it can be drying while I'm going to get the kids, and so I can come back home. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started.
You're quite good at that, dodging all my questions. Wrap your arms around my neck. Such a decent price, earning my affection. Now there's no way to go back. Hoping we're in that movie where you teach me how to dance, and I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance. I'm doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light, praying you will ask me to come stay the night. Baby, we're so cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. And when you go, I can't make you stay. So we fade in the rhythm. So we fade in the rhythm. Such a masterpiece, swaying in the spotlight, makes me feel so good inside. Oh baby, don't ever talk about the things that are everlasting. Oh baby, we won't ever last. Hoping we're in that movie where you teach me how to dance, and I'm just a young and foolish, begs for a second chance. I'm doing clumsy pirouettes in your bedroom light, praying you will ask me to come stay the night. Baby, we're so cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. When you go, I can't make you stay. So we live for the night and we fade in the rhythm. So cute to pretend. We both know it don't make no sense. And when you go, I can't make you stay. So we fade in the rhythm. So we fade in the rhythm. I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no gloves. love be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else, I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride out all the blue.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. You, I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.